this is wisdom from plants, food for longevity, and we are still on Soursop. I've done a video on how this is cut and eaten, and I've got some already here that I'm going to now make into juice. So we're going to be making Soursop juice. The first thing is to cut the soursop, scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl, and I'm going to use a potato masher to mash it because it's easier. You could use your hands, but it's quite messy. So potato masher is the best solution that I've found, because you can blend it, but because you have the seeds, you don't want the seeds in your juice. The seeds could be poisonous. So you add a little bit of water to release the juice from the pulp, and then stir in thoroughly. You can see it takes only like a second to do this. So I'm going to now use a tea strainer to strain into a glass. I could use this as well, still clean. So just pour the mashed soursop into a tea strainer or any sieve of your choice, and then push down gently, making sure none of the seeds escape into your juice. You could add more water if you don't want it too thick. And with this type of juice, you could add in flavors like cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, yogurt. I've seen people add in all sorts of things. So you could add other fruits to flavor it, like coconut, if you like coconut, or strawberries to color it into nice pinky color. So that's basically what you do. Just make sure you're squeezing it all out. The pulp can still be eaten because there's nothing wrong with it. It's quite expensive, like I've explained. And that, there you go. You've got nice organic juice that is good for health, preventing diseases. So delicious. This will be best put in the fridge to have it chilled, and you could add any flavoring of your choice, like I said. And this also could be frozen to become something like yogurt, frozen yogurt, or ice cream. Hope you've enjoyed this video today. I'll see you again next time. Until then, keep on enjoying wisdom from plants and nature. Goodbye.